get it, Jamie?
I got it from the library.
Library. Wow, from the school. Okay, let's see what you got. Show the picture.
I got this, and this.
Okay, so you can show them. Okay, so you got Cinderella. Okay.
Let's open this.
Frosted. Remember the movie?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's open this.
Let's see what you got. Wow, it has Velcro. You can open it. All right, wait. Let's see. Okay, you can do it yourself.
Let's help me.
Okay, she needs help. So let's see. You
A
have,
stuffed something right behind me.
look. Show it what you got there. Okay.
Mama, I don't know what to do with this thing.
Okay, that's part of the story. So, you have
Is this part of the story?
Bella from the Bella
Like it's
and
a
the Beast. Remember the movie?
Yes.
Okay. Let's show the book. Okay, you like it?
Yeah, let's read
You want
it.
to read? Okay. Let's read the first page.
Disneyland.
You want me to help you?
No.
No? Okay. You try. Just show how it looks so they can see the pictures. Okay, open it up. Wow, it has like a surprise. It tells you about the story. Okay.
Well, how we do that?
Yeah, you open it up like this. And it says, once upon a time, there was a princess who lived in a big palace full of beautiful things.
I do it with my...
Okay, there you go. You can do it. Show it to them. Wow. Wow, look at how much clothes she has. And what does it say? Let's read this part so they can see it.
Mama.
Can you find 3 gold crowns, 1 pink dress, and 4 sparkling necklaces? So
I'll do it with my own.
Yeah, you can do it. Show it to them. Hold it.
Okay.
Wow, look at this.
And this.
You have to show it over
This
here.
leads for the nice castle with the horses.
All right, let's see. Okay.
Wow. How I do that?
Yeah, you have to turn it around so they can see the picture. Let's turn it around like this. Here's the clothing. And here is the... Wow, look at all the neck stuff that she has. Alright. So we have... So this is Cinderella. Show them. Cinderella.
Cinderella.
Yes. Come on.
Cinderella went to the nice castle with the stairs.
Okay, so show it to them. So they can...
Upstairs.
Oh. Show it to them. Wow, look at Cinderella and look at she's right here. Oh, you want to show the pictures? Okay.
And one day, she was having a nice nap. She's not cafeteria. It's cafeteria, her house.
Oh, wow. She was cleaning?
Yes.
Cleaning the kitchen.
She's so fun.
Okay. So which one is the next princess we got in the book? Let's keep pages so they can see what's the other princess. Oh, we have another princess here. Look at her.
And one day, all the princess and not her friend,
Okay.
not her cousin,
Tiana. Say Tiana.
Tiana.
This is her. Show it to them. Tiana.
Tiana.
All right. Show
And
it.
one day, everybody will have a good time this party.
Wow, look at her dresser. Show it to them.
And one day,
Wow, I love it.
and one day, this dog pranking her. She was trying to just go to her room. She was trying to prank. She's a stranger.
Oh, just a stranger as well?
And
Okay.
she's trying to just like take her stuff.
Yeah, show it then to them. Wow, it looks beautiful. Look at this book. Look at the pictures. Okay, next page.
And one day, she said to us, take the dress and eat it.
Okay, let's see. And this is the
Okay,
book.
guys, we done finished it.
All right.
Let's play, guys. Come on and play with me.
All right, let's play. Where are we going?
We're going to the party.
Ooh, let's go to the party. Let's dance.
Yeah, see.
That's a nice dance.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Hello, guys. Every day.
All right.
Let's get married. But with our parents.
The parents are sleeping.
Let's go pray them.
Okay.
Where are they? Oh, nobody's in here.
Oh, nobody's here.
Let's go to the other way.
Okay.
Let's go to the other way. You hold it.
All right. Here's Bella.
I'm too heavy. Help me, Bella. Wait, that's me.
Wow.
But I have little hair. That's poor. What's my room, though? Just stop. It's too heavy. That's you. Is that me?
Wow, they're hiding. I don't see you, girls.
I see you. They're right there. See them.
Okay.
Let's go. Hello, Daddy. Hello.
Hi.
I'm going to find you. Come on, let's find them, Bella.
No, you have to play. You have to listen to your parents. Okay.
No, you, Bella, you kid. Let's go eat them.
Okay. Yeah, so tell them. Remember to subscribe. Say, I hope you like it.
Thank
Say
you for
bye.
watching.
Keep watching us. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.